So listen to this. Maybe this is something you're dealing with in your house, maybe with your children or your family. The latest COVID-19 variant is leading to a rise in cases and earned the nickname razor blade throat. This is because the Nimbus variant may cause painful sore throats. And Arizona is one of several states seeing a recent surge in some of these cases. So what should you know about this new variant? Dr. Kwan with the Valleywise Health joins us now here live in studio. Dr. Kwan, good to see you.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for coming in. What should we know about this variant? How is it different maybe from some of the other ones we've seen?
It's probably the extreme sore throat that people will have when they have the illness itself. Is it really worse than any of the other variants? Probably not. It's hard to say at this point, but there's so many variants as well. But this one in particular causes a really bad sore throat.
Is it just as contagious as all the other variants?
It is just as contagious or even more contagious. That's what they're saying.
Okay, when you say more contagious, is it because with that sore throat, I guess, is there coughing involved, or, you know, how is it spread?
Yes, a lot of these COVID, influenza, those types of illnesses will be spread the typical ways: coughing, sneezing, not washing your hands.
I have to say, you know, whenever you get a sore throat, or my kids get a sore throat, it's got to be worse than almost anything else. Is there any type of relief that doctors can offer or that you can do at home to give yourself some relief? You
know, it's the typical things like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, some of those throat sprays out there. There's not really much else to use to treat this.
So the CDC website shows that Arizona has one of the highest rates for positive tests. Have you been seeing them in your office as well?
We are seeing some increase in COVID-19 cases. It seems like at this time of year there's a little spike in the number of COVID-19 cases.
That seems a little odd, doesn't it, as we get on into the warmer months, that we see you know, some people getting flus or some people getting this new COVID-19 variant.
I think it's just because we're out amongst each other more, we're traveling, you know, having a good time during the summer.
Yeah, and so when you talk about maybe protecting yourself and your family, let's say you are traveling, what type of things should you keep with you maybe as you're traveling in your carry-on?
So washing your hands is the biggest thing. Hand sanitizers, covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze. The general stuff that we tell everyone to do whenever you get sick.
How long does this COVID variant last?
It's typically anywhere from 5 to 7 days. Some people have it a little bit longer and some very short.
Yeah, that sore throat's got to be brutal for 5 to 7 days. It's tough.
Absolutely.
Dr. Kwan, thank you for coming in with Valleywise with all of your wisdom. Thank you so much. Hey, Ty.